Travel with your children while they still reach for your hand, because time never gives you a second chance to relive the moments you missed. One day, those little footsteps will grow strong enough to walk away. One day, the bright eyes that once lit up at the thought of traveling with you will look elsewhere. And one day, the doors will close, and they'll no longer need you by their side on every journey. As parents, we often postpone blaming busy schedules, saving that precious day off, or promising ourselves next time. But the truth is, next time is fragile. Sometimes it never comes. Your children don't need countless trips. What they need are unforgettable journeys with you, the laughter, the joy, the memories that last a lifetime. Happiness isn't measured by how many places you've been, but by the memories you've created together. At ZAZEN Travel, we design journeys where your family doesn't just see the world, you live it together. Because when you look back, the most valuable souvenirs won't be photos or postcards, but the moments where you were the center of their world. Don't let those memories slip away. Let ZAZEN Travel craft your family's most meaningful travel stories, exclusive, unforgettable, and designed to last forever.